Hi, we are the Mindbuilders. Wouldn't it be cool if man landed again on Moon? But the problem is astronauts will get tired of eating bland freeze-dried foods while on these space missions. Transportation costs are $20,000 per kilogram. Well, we have a solution. Our special, inexpensive, and natural fertilizer, the Urilizer, is uniquely composed of human urine and can be used to grow fresh food. We first collect and store urine for 30 days and later add ingredients to enhance it. This solution is used as fertilizer. Our customer is NASA. The Urilizer can also be valuable to farmers on Earth as it is natural and free. We are improving health conditions for astronauts, saving NASA tons of money and enabling the colonization of space. Urine is for free, so it's great for trees.